Hi, my name is Favor. Welcome to my channel. It's Our Fenwick Life. Today we have a new to me subscription box. This is the Entertaining with Beth box. So I watch Miss Erica and she showed this box a couple of months ago and I just fell in love with it. It is a pay-as-you-go box. This one is $35 and it's an entertainment box. So in this box, you will find things that help you entertain guests in your home. I love lifestyle and home boxes that give you candles, or I don't know. Hers came with like oven mitts and salad tongs, and I just thought it was great. So I wanted to give it a try. So here is this one. I'll leave it linked below. I can't open this. I'll leave it linked below. I don't think I get anything from leaving a link. I don't know. If I do, it'll say below in the description box. Wow. Here you go. Look at that. Oh, things are falling out. Hang on. Oh, there's stuff everywhere. Okay. So here's the card. Let's see what this says. Oh, these are recipe cards. Okay, here we go. Greeting friends, summer is in full swing and this month's box has a few goodies that will help you make the most of summer entertaining wherever that may take you. Okay, so again, this is for entertaining and this is the summer box. Oh my goodness. Okay, these, I have seen these. These are Simply Baked by Christie Designs Incorporated, or LLC, not just for baking. Simply Baked US. These are bamboo. I think they should be bamboo. Let me read about them. All right, Simply Baked wooden cutlery. I couldn't pair plastic cutlery with your new, oh no, this is something, I shouldn't open this one yet. Well, whatever. Okay, I couldn't pair plastic cutlery with your new sheet paper plates, so I thought these wooden pieces were the perfect match. They are also so lightweight and easy to tuck into a picnic basket. They are also made from food grade safe wood that won't splinter. Interesting. These are really cute. There you go. The kids come over all the time and we, you know, once we get into fall. Now I know a lot of people like to eat outside in the summertime. It is too hot here. We eat outside al fresco in the spring and the fall. So sometimes in the winter. So get the fire pit going, sit outside. Oh, I can't wait for fall. These will get used to that. Let's see, what is this? There's something large in here. Oh my goodness, large. 1 second. All right, these are Duraflex Amalfi goblets, little tumblers. These are really cute. She shows them as juice glasses, or they show as juice glasses on here. I'm gluten-free, and desserts at like Thanksgiving or anytime I make like pie filling, these would be perfect for that. I've been looking for something like this to fill with. Okay, so you know, you make it really pretty. You put the little white at the bottom, the chocolate in the middle, the white at the top. Oh yes, yes, yes. Strawberries, little whipped cream at the bottom, strawberry filling in the middle, little more whipped cream, little gluten-free granola on top. Yes, please, that's what I'm gonna use these for. This is I'm a huge fan of Duraflex glasses. You'll love them because they are so durable and you can use them for so many things. They are made from tempered glass that is dishwasher safe, freezer safe, and microwave safe. You can also serve both hot and cold beverages in them too. In the summer, I love to make strawberry basil panna cottas. Panna cotta, is there a recipe for that? Oh, there is! Panna cotta is delicious. Oh my goodness. In them, recipe enclosed. Oh my goodness, I love panna cotta. That's what I was saying. You can put little desserts in these. These are fantastic. I love them, not just for entertaining. I would use these just every day for me and my husband. We can be fancy. They're so cute. I really like this. Also juice glasses, but let's be realistic. When you drink orange juice in the morning, do you drink this a little bit? No. I drink orange juice because I'm thirsty. I want to drink some orange juice. Whatever. I digress. Oh, this is something fancy and pretty. Okay, this is so pretty. Oh, sorry. Hold on. This is gorgeous. Now, ordinarily, I would put olive oil in this. I may still put olive oil in this. This is really, really pretty. That's not what she sent it for, though. I love these glass bottles for summer entertaining. They are great for serving mimosas or iced tea, or package them up with homemade lemonade for a thoughtful hostess gift. They are made from strong glass and topped with a reusable airtight wire and gasket cap, ensuring you get as many uses from this bottle as possible. Truly, I think I'm gonna put my olive oil in here. My olive oil bottle is really pretty, but these are even prettier. And you know, I know it's not the top that everyone likes, that just pour top. Whatever, it's really cute. I don't know, I may use it for lemonade. I don't know what I'll use it for. I do love it though. That's so cute. Okay. Oh my goodness, what is in here? This is heavy. Packet insulated grocery bag. You guys, this is heavy. There's gotta be something in here. Freezable bag with special freezable gel built into the walls of the bag. Simply store the entire bag in the freezer overnight. Once the bag is frozen, its walls generate waves of cold air that chill your food and drinks from all sides without the need for ice packs. Oh my gosh, this is amazing. Okay, let me just give you a little backstory. My husband on Wednesdays unloads a very hot truck here in Texas, and everything always melts in the coolers because there's so much space in them. This is perfect. Oh my god, it's Tuesday. This is going in the freezer right after I'm finished with this video, and we will freeze to put his drinks and his lunch in here, because along here and all along the bottom are ice packs. This is awesome, and it's so much easier to carry this in the big old cooler. This is fantastic. This box was $35. Look at all this stuff in here. This is amazing. This is true. I would have paid $35 for this. Oh, this is fantastic. And it folds up just like this, and it, wrap this in here, and you can keep it all together. This, you didn't see any of that. This is terrific. This is, who is this by? Packet freezable grocery bag. I'm gonna see if I can find this and link it below, or I'll just link this box below so you can get the whole box. This is amazing. Look how pretty. Okay, now I'm just gonna say it. This has Miss Erica all over it. Let's see. Caspari plates. These plates are designed to resemble the shape of fine porcelain dinnerware and have the most beautiful toile, T-O-I-L-E pattern on them. Is that how you say that? I don't know. I don't know. Tulle pattern on them, coming from the Colonial Williamsburg collection. This product proves that paper plates can be both practical and beautiful. Totally Tika says that. I follow her on Instagram. Oh my goodness, I love to follow her. She's on YouTube too, but she's mostly on Instagram. She does beautiful place settings, and she did one the other day with paper plates, and it was just stunning. This would be something she would like to put on her table. Miss Erica, it's blue, she loves that. Oh my goodness, this is amazing. This is a great box. What else is in here? What are you? What are you? The Inspired Home Journal magazine. Despite our digital age, I think summertime is meant for dreaming, and personally, I think there's nothing more relaxing than sitting in the garden and soaking up the pages of a beautiful magazine. May you get tons of ideas for your next dinner party, vacation, or dream house from the pages within. Awesome. All right, so there's also some coupon codes here that you can get 20% off Simply Baked, and another 25% off Duralex glasses. So there's some coupon codes there. Nice. This box is absolutely amazing. I'm gonna leave it linked below so that you can go and check it out and see if you're interested in getting one of your own. Like I said, I don't think I get anything from that. I have no idea. I will link it. I will let you know below. I will, in the description box, I will let you know if I get something from that. And I will also leave an open link for you so you don't have to click on my link. Whatever you want to do is up to you. It's entertainingwithbeth.com. Just go there and you can get it directly from there. Seriously, this is a lot of fun. $35 for all of this stuff. That's fun. Awesome. All right, well, I'm gonna go put this in the freezer and prepare it for work tomorrow, and put all the rest of this stuff away and make some panna cotta, because yummy. Anyway, Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. This is new to me, and I am certainly going to be looking into it. It's every other month, so the next one is September, and she said September boxes are available, so I need to run on over there and order my September box. So how exciting. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you'll join us on other parts of our channel where we travel. We have weekly vlogs. We have lots of unboxings of subscription boxes and clothing boxes. You name it, we do it. So I hope you'll join us. Thank you very much for watching, and we will see you next time. Bye.